All right, guys. I had a little bit of it was a challenge getting that in until I figured out you can just go ahead and loosen these up, just crack them, loosen them up, and then go ahead and fish it in. I ended up fishing this end in first. Like I fished it in through that way and got it like kind of like halfway a little bit on the ball. Then I just took my trim tool and I like popped it that way and it popped in. I'm gonna go ahead and change my spark plugs while I got it out, and valve cover gasket, and get everything put back together, guys. I'll get right back with you.